Hello again, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. For our video for today is daily cipher Morse code is farm, FARM. If you first time here in my YouTube channel, please like and share my video, and also subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you, guys. For our first daily cipher Morse code, letter F is short, short, long, short. Short, short, long, short. And the second letter is A, short, long. Short, long. And the third letter is letter R, short, long, short. Short, long, short. And the last letter for the cipher Morse code to get the 1M token is M, long, long. Long, long. You can get now the 1M token. Thank you, guys. Please follow and subscribe.